Okay, everyone. Since the medicine and the ointment is expired in this, which by the way, let me tell you now. I can just pick up a basic first aid kit like this and be good. Yeah. So pretty much what I've got in here, and by the way, it does Ziploc. Pretty cool. Pretty much I kept it cherry and all that. I should actually show what's in here, kind of. Let's start with the bandages and all that. There's one, two, look like three 2-inch by 2-inch gauze pads. I will be putting in, if I can, a bigger one. So yeah. Has moleskin, which yes, it is. Oh god, y'all can't see it. Crap. But, oh, it does have. It looks like it has little. I don't know. Y'all can see that, right? Yeah, it has that. It's pretty cool. I'm actually a fan of moleskin, actually, because this could really help you in a pinch. Looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these bandages. The stubby ones, the big stubby ones. Wow, that just totally. Two. It's supposed to be 2 butterfly closures. I'm trying to see if it's 2 butterfly closures. I cannot tell. I really cannot. Yeah, butterfly closures. Should be. Oh yeah. Wait, what? What's the third one go then? In case y'all wondering, this is the list. Butterfly. No, it's only supposed to be 2 butterfly closures. So, that's a good thing. Then it comes with 3 of these, I'm gonna call them knuckle bandages. This is pretty much what I know them as. Yeah, knuckle. It says it right there. But honestly, that's actually a really nice thing. Honestly, for that. Instruments that comes with, safety pins and splinter picker tick remover. Should have 3 of those. Now, I'm really going to be kit bashing this because I really want to make this into a thing for my homeless loadout bag. Okay? So, yeah. Let's see. It has. I have another Actibite sting leaf. Unless I kept it in here. I don't know. No, it didn't. Wait. Did it? I don't think it did. Unless, I think I kit bashed that too. But that's okay, because I always have, I seriously carry 3 first aid kits with me. Either way, I think both of these kits, these are both kit bash too. Thank Kit Bash Survival for inspiring me to start kit bashing my first aid kits. I think either this one or this one. Oh, and I don't think I've shown this, but the newest addition to this one is the cheap little sewing kit from I'm gonna assume the, oh god, what's the one thing I got, the NATO emergency thing from MOE Mountain. So yeah, I think this one has a single leaf pad in here too. Plus, I have one in my third one. I have like 4. Now I have 4 small ones I carry around with me. But that's a good thing, huh? So, yeah. Unless I don't know. Okay, so I'm going to rearrange all this anyway. I have the 3 safety pins, which are really good. This is actually a kind of a good survival kit, too. Honestly. But yeah, 3 safety pins, which, let me see if they... Yeah, they look good. 3 safety pins, big ones. Okay. Right there. A splinter tick remover, which is in my other Adventure Medical Kits, which I like. Honestly, I'm a fan of Adventure Medical Kits. Let's say that right now. I should put that in there. Comes with a roller gauze bandage, which is pretty cool. Yeah, I like. It's 2-inch by 4.1 yards, or 5 centimeters by 3.75 meters. Then the newest thing I put in instead of whatchamacallit? I put a chapstick. People here new guys, people who are new to medical kits, like pre-made medical kits or whatever, making your own kits. These can be used for medical. I believe it's 46% white petroleum jelly, which is a good thing. Okay, so because this protects you, like say I have a cut right here, right? I just open it up and then put some right here. Then take one of the bandages and put it on there. Which, by the way, I'm doing a whole lot more bandages than this. Let's just say that right now. So, yeah. Also, some... I don't know what they call this. Wait a second. Tape. It's basically a 1 something by 10 yard tape. So, basically, this is for when you have... For, like... this. Or honestly, this could also be used to kind of repair stuff, I guess. I don't know. But yeah. I'm putting way I do have you know that big 300 whatever piece thing? I could take whatever I need from that, put it into here. Easily. So honestly it's a nice little kit. It came with a acetaminophen, I think. Either acetaminophen... No, ibuprofen. Let me see. Yeah, I think ibuprofen. Alcohol swabs. Oh. Oh, yeah, that's right. Did it actually... I don't know if it came with it or not. I don't know. But, honestly... It's a decent kit. For me, I could just take something like this off the shelf and be good. Because my needs for medical are just basic. Right? Then I can, if I have to, I could kit bash some petroleum jelly. Here's a tip for y'all new guys. This is sealed, right? As long as this is sealed and the seal isn't broken, this can last literally forever. You know? So, stick on this wool right here. Do not... I hate when like things like that happen. Wait, no. First, we put the... I'm OCD about this. So sorry about this. That. And I put the thing right here. And I put this right here. And then I put the wool gauze right here. In front of this. I'm thinking. No, I don't. Oh, God. I am just... Oh, God. Anyway, I could talk more about stuff like this. Oh wait, no, this is right here on the left. Then this, which goes like this. This was like this. So whatever. Not like that, and honestly, it's actually a decent kit. Oh, no way. Yeah, wait, I don't know. I don't know how it went, but I actually think it's like that. No, this, no. This was behind here. Yeah, that makes total sense to me, so. Honestly, I have way more I could make this into a way better kit. I could make this into like a little survival kit too, if I needed to. But yeah, and that, and then this. Okay, and we got it. Then it just does that. Pretty nice, huh? As I said, I carry 2 other first aid kits around with hand sanitizer, antiseptic, and all that. So, unless if I wanted to keep it like this, I'm Gucci. You know? So, yeah. Anyway, that's this kit and what I've gotten in here so far, which is a chapstick. I'd like a crap ton of it anyway, because I usually buy it by the 3-pack anyway, because I'm like, you know, good for different kits. Yeah. So anyway, I hope you all enjoyed the video. I know it was kind of dark, but that's okay, right? Anyway, peace, y'all.